If we actually put the box behind this heat shield, pull the cables out, safely keeping them away from your exhaust pipes and route them to both sides, it's going to be absolutely perfect. So really, the whole goal of this is getting underneath the car, finding a good place to secure the Dahler module here underneath, and then run your cables in a safe fashion. It's really not that hard. You just want to get the car in the air and then find a good place. So let's slide underneath and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, y'all, so here we are on the passenger side of the car. I just want to show you an example of the controller. So here's your valve controller right here where the cable comes and plugs in, and we'll unplug it here in a second. And this is going to look the same on both sides. Now this install is really simple, so it really comes down to a choice of where you want to install the control box for the Dahler module, which I'll show you what it looks like here in a second away from the car before we install it. But all it is just a box with the cables that are going to run to both of the modules here. So the big question is really for you is going to end up being, where do you want to install the controller? Now you have a number of options. You could potentially pull your plastic, and this is your wheel well plastic, between your rear tire and the bumper. There's lots of space back here if you pulled this plastic down, and you could route the cables out through one side. But if you look, as we roll here towards the middle, you're going to see your central heat shield right here. You notice, and it's already loose a little bit because I took a bolt off. Didn't come that way. But if you notice, there's this great void space right here, and there's an opening already right here in the heat shield. So if we actually put the box behind this heat shield, pull the cables out, safely keeping them away from your exhaust pipes, and route them to both sides, it's going to be absolutely perfect. The box is waterproof and hard plastic, but you don't want to expose to where it might get hit by a rock or crack the plastic. In this place, it's going to be shielded really nicely with the heat shield away from any radiant heat coming off your exhaust, any rocks, or any other damage. So this really is, in this M3, this F80 M3, an ideal place to put it. So what we're going to do, if you'll notice, we have right here, we have these little hat nuts. They look like hats. These are 10 millimeter. There's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with the 3 on the other side. So go ahead and take those off. You just take them off with a 10 millimeter socket or a 10 millimeter wrench. And then, and I've taken most of them off already, but as you can see, this will start to sag. This whole piece, you don't even need to take it down, because all we're going to do is slide the box into this space and route the cables out through the hole. But before we do that, let me show you what the box itself looks like.